What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So, I'm really happy as hell because finally, after I think this is my second or third try, I finally passed the verification jump and I'm on to get the 25K account. So, I did the 25K. Later on, I might do the 200K. They added that like a couple weeks ago, a month or two ago, something like that. But right now, I'm happy I got to finally pass the verification, and I'm gonna show y'all like my trades and stuff for the verification, my losers and winners, and then show y'all my trading journal and all that. And and at the end of the video, you can go in the description and find it's a link to my trading journal website, and it'll like show all my trades, the before and after pictures, the reason why I took the trade, and all that different type of stuff. So after the video, you can go down below and look at that. But on Ftmo right now, I passed this challenge. I passed the verification uh in 2 trading days. So it took more than 2 days, but I only traded 2 days out of however many days I had the account. So you can see I only passed it by $20, and my loss was 500. So go down here. So I started off with the $500 loss on GA, and after that I just came back on GJ, my favorite pair. Like GA used to be my favorite, but GJ just, I don't know, I just love the way it moves, and I can, like, it's easy to analyze and stuff. So on GJ I caught 1700, I think. Yeah, 1785, almost 1800. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my trade for a GJ. I had one initial trade, and then I scaled in 3 times to complete the challenge. So let me go show y'all real quick. All right, so I mostly analyze like on the 4 hour for like look at structure and all that, and look at the behavior of all the candles and stuff. 4 hour and 1 hour. But you can see for a minute GJ been dropping. So I was sell bias, but when I hopped on the daily time frame, I seen that it made it's still technically in the uptrend on the daily time frame. You see high, low, higher high, and then this potentially could be the higher low. So I drew a fib and stuff on it just to see like where it was on the I did on the daily. So it was around the 61.8, between that and the 78.6, but it didn't break the 78.6, so I was still potentially looking for it to like bounce off of it. But there was just a confluence. I didn't really use that. I didn't use that for my entry. But after looking at this, I was like, maybe it will go up. So I wasn't stuck to one bias after looking at recent price action of it dropping, and then coming on the daily time frame, looking at the bigger picture. I couldn't have no one bias. So um, on the 4 hour, I called it. Okay, after it made this lower high right here, and then it dropped down, it broke this support level, previous support level that it made right here. I was looking for a sell. So let me do a bar replay real quick. All right, so I was looking for a sell. It broke the level, and I dropped down to the 1 hour for a retest. It didn't break it far though, but I was still looking for that retest and continuation. So you see, it just shot back up. But I think I was waiting on the 5 minutes, so I didn't just wait on the 1 hour for it to. I didn't wait for the 1 hour to close. I waited for it to retest, and then I instantly got on the 5 minute time frame to just analyze and see what happened. So I seen on the 5 minute that it was shooting back up into the zone, but it didn't like break up back above the zone. But I seen on the 4 hour that it's making a double bottom. So if you look, so I counted this right here as the low point, even though it's kind of like a spike now or whatever. But I counted this as the low point, and then of course right here that's the higher low, which is the next leg for the double bottom. So when I seen that, I dropped on the 1 hour just to look at it, and it looked like really clean to me. So I just needed to wait for some bullish confirmations before I entered the trade. And I was only buying it up to the top of the zone, but I only needed to buy take profit right here to complete the verification. So, and I'm glad I did, because it like dropped right after it hit this zone too. But I think I dropped on the 5 minute time frame. So I was waiting for a break retest of the moving averages and the moving average crossover, I believe. So moving average already kind of crossed over, and then it broke retest, continuated with that long bullish candle right there. And then I entered somewhere in between here. Okay. And then I entered on this. Hold on, let me move this out the way. I entered on this candle right here. So I could have entered over here, but I wasn't looking. But when it broke, it retest continuated, and it came back down, retest the moving averages again, and then came back up. I entered after the close of this candle at 110. So, and then right after that, I instantly shot in profit, and it like I have no drawdown. Like as soon as I entered the trade, you got the what you call it, the spread or whatever. But after that, I was instantly in profit. Like, and I entered with a 2 lot, and I instantly shot in profit like up to like $200, $300 in a couple of seconds or minutes. So you can see it just shot up, and that was my entry that was my initial entry for for this whole trade. And then once I seen this big candle right here on the 4 hour form, then I did a scale in, and then like in between I did like 2 more scale ins just to complete the challenge, because I knew it was gonna keep going up. But luckily I did those extra scale ins because it only went up to like right here. Let me see. Let me exit out of this. Yeah, it only went up to right here. So if I just had this one trade in, or the 2 trades in, then I don't know if I would have like completed the challenge. So after this big bullish candle right here, I scaled in, and then when it pulled back and it was like, I think on the 1 hour it had like a big bullish candle engulfing the previous candle, so I scaled in after that too. And then yeah, so that's how I completed the challenge right there. I mean the verification right there. And I'm gonna be documenting my trade, what you call it? I'm gonna be documenting all my trades on my live account too. Once I get it, I just gotta get past the I gotta get past 5 more trading days. So after that, then I'm gonna have content for the actual live account, 25K account. And then later on down the line, I'll like invest in another account to combine with my 25K account, so I can have more profits and stuff. So, and let me go and show y'all my trading journal. So yeah, these GA, those the 2 trades I took an L on for like $500. Yeah, so only 2% combined loss with those trades, and then the rest of the trades I hit TP on them. So, and I'm gonna have like the link in my description so y'all can look at my whole trading journal on my verification, and I'm gonna have once I post my new content with the live account, I'm gonna have my new link to that trading journal too for my live account. And that's like, after the rest of my videos, it's probably gonna be like the only link that y'all gonna need, since it's gonna be the live account. I won't have to make like a different trading journal for challenge verification and stuff unless I invest in another challenge. So, but yeah, y'all can just look on here. Y'all can just look at it just to look at it, or y'all can like copy my format and use it for your own trading journal. And then like, but if you don't want to do that, then you can just, of course, look at it, look at my before and after pictures, and then like on the weekends, I do like I took these GA trades. I took those last week. So on Friday or Saturday, I did a recap. But this weekend, or maybe just this week, since I already passed the verification, I'm probably not gonna trade no more till I get my live account, unless it's on a demo. I'm not gonna document those trades, but I might do the recap in the middle of this week, so y'all gonna see that I follow my plan and all that stuff, and then the recap screenshot, and then the recap message and stuff. So yeah, and if y'all got any questions and stuff about anything I said in the video, y'all can go comment below. Video suggestions, y'all can comment below. Other than that, like, subscribe, and I'll go see y'all in the next video.